A few days ago my laptop screen has broken. I ordered a screen according to my laptop model for £30 from eBay. I'm gonna change the screen now. So, let's get started. So first thing first, turn off my laptop and make sure that it is unplugged from a power source to avoid any risk of electric shock. Now, I am opening the frame of the screen very slowly. Then I took a standard screwdriver and remove all of the screws and screen. Now it's time to disconnect the cable from LCD. I will remove it very gently. Once that's done, I will make sure the cable is connected and the sides are secure. Reinsert the screws on the sides and top, or reattach any tape that was used to hold everything together. After everything is nicely tightened. So, reattaching the frame again once everything is completed. I will connect to the power cable and switch on the computer. Here we go, it's working without any issues. Thank you for watching the video.